Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now today's makeup tutorial is about this burgundy glittery eyeliner from Maybelline, and I have carried on this look on Eid evening. You can carry this out on any evening get together or any party. So to start off, first I'll be using this primer from LA Girl, and I'll apply this mainly on my T-zone, now which is going to give me a very smooth base for my foundation. And for the foundation today, I have used this L'Oreal Matte Magique 12-Hour Right Matte Foundation. Now this is a medium to high coverage foundation. You can build this up according to your need. And I just like this foundation because in this humid weather, this foundation goes very well as it is completely matte. And yeah, I'm just blending it all over my face with my Damn Beauty blender from PAC. So before I move forward with my makeup, I'll just prep my lips with my Body Shop Passion Berry lip balm. Then next I'm using this L'Oreal True Match Concealer in the shade Light, and I'll be using my usual places where I need to conceal and to cover up some blemishes. Now this concealer is a shade lighter than my skin tone because I am gonna use this as my highlight concealer. And then I'm blending it well again with my Damn Beauty sponge. And yeah, don't forget to apply the concealer over your eyelids so that it can give a nice base for your eye makeup as well. Now next I'll be using this Oriflame Da1 loose powder to set my concealer, and as you can see I'm applying this just below my eyes and my under eye area. Basically wherever I've applied my concealer, I'll set it with this loose powder from the one Oriflame. Next up I'll be using this Innisfree Auto Eyebrow Pencil to fill in the gaps of my eyebrows, and I'm in the shade Espresso Brown I guess, and this eyebrow pencil comes in 3 different shades. You can just go to Nykaa and check that out, and I'll be listing down all the products that I've used in this makeup tutorial in the description box below. And this is a very good eyebrow pencil to be used on daily purpose, and it comes with a spoolie on one side. And next, moving over to the eyes, I'm using a single eyeshadow, and this is from Miss Claire. And as you can see, I've just started from the outer corner, dragging it till the inner corner, and I'm applying it on my crease, a little bit above the crease. And after giving that definition, I'll just apply the remaining product all over my eyelid. Now this is a very beautiful bronzy kind of shade from Miss Claire. Now the main focus of this makeup tutorial is this beautiful burgundy glitter eyeliner from Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Hyper Glitz Ink Eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, and I'll be drawing a dramatic wing with this eyeliner. And this look on the whole is very simple yet very glam, as you can carry this out at any evening get together or any party. So I've used very minimal products to create this look. Next, to fill in my waterline, I'm using this Urban Decay 24x7 Glide On Eye Pencil. Next, moving over to the same single eyeshadow from Miss Claire, I'll take a pencil brush and I'll apply that on the lower lash line, smudging the eye pencil which I've applied. Then moving over to the face, I'm using this Bahama Mama bronzer, and I'll be contouring my face. And here, as you can see, I'm contouring the usual places where I generally contour: the hollows of my cheeks, my forehead, my jawline. Then moving over to the blush, today I'll be using this Essence powder blush in the shade Heat Wave. Now this is a beautiful ombre kind of blush with coral and pink mix. And I'm applying this on the apple of my cheeks, blending it towards my temple along with the contour shade. Then taking this Wet n Wild contour palette, I'll take this highlighter shade and I'll just highlight under my eyes, the under eye area, and just little bit on the forehead and little bit just below my contour, just to give it a more chisel look. And then I'll just fix it all up with my Makeup Revolution Illuminating Fixing Spray, and then I'll move over to my highlighter. And the highlighter that I've used today is this Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. And this is one of my favorite highlighter at the moment. And I've highlighted all the high points of my face using this fan brush from Oriflame. Then I just forgot to contour my nose actually, and so I just went back to my Wet n Wild contour palette, and taking that contour shade, I just contoured my nose to give it a more sharpened look. Next I moved on to my lashes, and I've just curled them with the eyelash curler just to prepare it for my mascara. And the mascara today that I've used is this L'Oreal Paris Volume Million Lashes Mascara. I won't be going for any falsies today, so this mascara has done all the job. Now finally moving over to the lips. Today I've just lined and filled my lips first with the Miss Claire lip contour pencil in the shade 15. Now guys, if you haven't tried any Miss Claire lip liner or the lip contour pencils, please go and try one. They're beautiful, creamy in texture, and they're really good. Trust me, you won't regret. And then finally I'm using this Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick in the shade Icon, and this is one of my favorite lip shade from Huda Beauty. So that's it. This is the final look, guys. I hope you have liked it. This look I've carried on evening dinner, and you can carry this out easily for any party or any evening gathering. So I hope you have liked this video and enjoyed watching it. Then do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet already, and I'll see you soon in my next. Till then, all of you stay happy, stay blessed, take care, love you all, and bye bye.